Broadcast Jamaican now gear the news in the Jamaican language.
Wagwan people, this is Kadeen Marshall and me go give the news rundown in a Jamaican. First, me give the headline them. Dr. Alfred Dawes, who run the Windsor Wellness Center, said the fourth wave of the coronavirus are going to Jamaica in a January, like no foreigner are going to come here for the Christmas holiday. Jamaica get the second batch of the Pfizer vaccine from America. Jovan Atkinson, who was one-time Kingston College KC athlete, depend him way for him dream come true after him getting at the airline training orientation program at JetBlue. Jamaica can now send pineapple for go sell at Barbados. Make sure you follow our YouTube page Broadcast Jamaican to hear more news and like the video them after you done listen. Now for the full tour of them. Jamaica get the second batch of the Pfizer COVID-19 vaccine from America. Nearly 204,000 doses come at the Norman Manley International Airport yesterday morning. The Ministry for Health start give out the Pfizer vaccine Monday gone to people who did wait upon them second joke. The rest of the Pfizer vaccine I will give to the people them between the age of 12 to 17. Dr. Alfred Dawes, who run the Windsor Wellness Center, said the fourth wave of the coronavirus are going to Jamaica in a January, like no foreigner are going to come out here for the Christmas holiday. As according to Dr. Dawes, the fourth wave are going to follow what going last year, what did lead to the second wave of the virus going in March. Him said enough people are going to travel, go to party them when keeping in New York and Florida, and then are going to come back with the virus. Plus him said the country can't run from the spike, cause winter time will come and the COVID case them all over the world are going to go up. As according to Professor Peter Figueroa, who talk on public health, the fourth wave are going to lead the country by December month end. Jamaica can now send pineapple for go Barbados. As according to Sonny Wilson Graham, who the produce inspector, this start on October 29 and this is a part of the agriculture sector plan to make money off of things that can send go foreign. On top of that, Mrs. Wilson Graham says some new market opened in the Cayman Island and the United Kingdom. She said anybody who wants to send them goods to foreign must register with the Ministry for Agriculture and Fisheries and follow what them say. Jovan Atkinson, who was one-time Kingston College KC athlete, depend him way for him dream come true after him getting at the airline training orientation program at JetBlue. Atkinson used to do the hurdles at Champs and him get one scholarship from the Liberty University in Lynchburg, Virginia, where him learned for 5 plane. Atkinson and now one licensed pilot and him say him glad for him reach so far and the program where him getting with JetBlue. Him normally post on him Instagram where him a fly and land the plane them. One Supreme Court judge make one order say doctor must do some tests for Andre Ruddock, the man who them claims to kill one woman at the Pathway International Kingdom Restoration Ministry in Albion, St. James last month. The test them a doctor Agado have to see if him sick in him head or him righted. The judge made the order yesterday morning when Ruddock did go court for answer the charge them. Ruddock never get no bail and he might go back to court on December 7. Them claims that Ruddock cut Tanika Garden throat in a one ritual. Now for sports. 6 days after some sex claims come out against Hubert Bobsby, who was the head coach of the Reggae Girls, the Jamaica Football Federation JFF stopped him from work. As according to Mallory Eunuch, who was a one-time player for the Vancouver Whitecaps, Bobsby did a pressure to have sex with him when he did a coach the Whitecaps between 2010 and 2011. But Bobsby said nothing go so, and the JFF did meet with him, but then stop him from work and then asked FIFA for looking at the case. The JFF said they might wait for FIFA first before they make a decision. People, remember the curfew from 8 p.m. in the night to 5 in the morning. Me name Kadeen Marshall and that are the news rundown in a Jamaican.
Broadcast Jamaican just give the news in the Jamaican language.